Hello, we are back with another wireless microphone. It's 2.4. This is in a small box. And like I said on the other episodes, I'm trying to find a wireless microphone that I can use to record on, to do some of these YouTube videos, and we'll see how it goes. This one says high quality audio, light compact. Looks a neat design. And this one's an iPhone, I think. We'll find out. Let's open her up. Like I said, if you wanted to read any of this stuff, just pause it, read it, get back with me. If you have any questions, write it down below. I will get to it. I'll leave a link down below on where you can get this if you like it. Alright, let's see. Open this up. This one actually comes with a decent book. Alright. Oh, it comes with a little baggie. Oh, it's all in here. Alright, neat little baggie. Nothing marked, just a normal bag. Alrighty. Wind deflectors. Looks like it clips on. Now let's open one of these. See what it looks like. Ooh, come back. Yeah, it looks like it feels like rubber. Like rubber, must snap on there somehow. There's a USB to two USB-Cs, so you can recharge two things at once. This one is branded. It's Type-C on one side, and it looks like it's got some holes. Maybe it's a microphone too. I don't know what that is. It's like a rubber, the plastic rubber material. Let's see what this looks like. Throw that in the trash. We'll get the other one out while we're at it. Oh, I like the look of these. It's like a rubberish material. It's got a texture to it, like a rubber. It's branded. Little microphone pointing straight up. Oh, maybe that's what it is. So you just put it on there like that, and there you go. The microphone's there. It blocks the wind. It's just held on by the rubber pieces on the side. Is there any lights at all? No, there's one light at the top. But we'll figure out what these buttons are in the next episode or next segment. This does not have the rotating. This one looks like it has a charger. It drops into a charger box or something. We'll see what happens. It'll turn it off. I'll have to charge these up. But alright, that's it for the unboxing.